Alright guys, so I had this battery here charging up all day yesterday on the trickle charger, and it sat overnight. It got down to probably about 50 degrees at night, and I started at about, I want to say 7, 8 o'clock yesterday morning, and turned it off about 9 o'clock when I got home from work, and we're going to measure the voltage on it and see where it's at. Alright, so this one's sitting at 12.6 volts. So this battery here, I'm going to say, is definitely going to be a pretty good one there. That one's doing really good, so I'm happy I do have one good one out of it. We'll check the voltage on the interstate. I didn't have a charger on it yesterday at all or anything, so we're gonna see how that one's looking. So let's move the voltmeter over there real quick. All right, so we got the voltage meter on the interstate battery sitting at 8 volts, pretty much right at 8 volts. So that one's definitely shot. So, but yeah, guys, I'm happy I got one one good battery out of it. So pretty happy about that. So, but yeah, 1 out of 3 ain't bad, I guess, considering how old each one of these batteries are. So, but yeah, like I said, that battery there's been sitting overnight in about 50-degree weather after being on trickle charger all day. So that one's definitely good there. So yeah, that's going to be the end of probably the battery restoring videos. That's the, you know, I'm just happy I got that one. That's good. So, but yeah, got any questions? Like, subscribe, comment, share the video. Let people know more about solar energy. Be really appreciative of it if you're able to do that. So, but yeah, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.